Hey there folks, in today's video we're going to show you how to use these automatic wire strippers and all the features that they have. So the first thing we want to do is look right down here on the handle. It has a wire cutter built in. So when you want to select your length of wire, you just put it in just like that. Nice clean cut. Then when you want to strip the wire, you put them in the top of the jaw right here and you pinch down just like that and it'll strip your wire. And it'll even do small wire here. So if you want to have a more small controlled cut, you can use this stopper here and put it just like that. And then when you put it to the stopper, it'll guide how much is cut off. Just like that. So we have a nice clean cut. Small wire or big wire. Next thing, we're going to put on this connector here. And then if we look down on the handle, we see it says insulated crimper, which is just under the wire cutter right there. You put that in just like that and push down. That'll crimp your insulated connector on without piercing the insulation. Now if you want to use a non-insulated crimp for a connector such as this one, it would be the same idea. Put your connector on, but then you're going to go down where it says non-insulated and you're going to put it in between just like that. Give it a nice firm push down. And that'll be nice and tight on there just like that. So that's all there is to it. Again, if you want a non-controlled cut and you want to just do it yourself, flip down your guide right here and nice clean cut just like that. So that's all there is to it. If you do want extremely small wire, you can tighten the tension just with this knob here until you get the right cut. So those are all the features for this. They're under $20 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. Very nice to have if you do a lot of electrical work. Even if you only do occasional leisurely work on electrical, they're very handy to have compared to manual ones. They do everything you need all in one tool. So as always, everybody, please like and subscribe.